I found the best way to make money while you sleep. And you might be thinking, Kayla, that is a crazy statement. How can we be making money if we are literally sleeping? Well, the good thing with the digital world is working from home and becoming your own boss is something that is becoming more accessible and just easier as time goes on. Now, there are so many different creators out there that will talk about all of these different methods that they're making money online. And they'll mention things like theme pages or drop shipping or affiliate marketing, and they'll say that all of these methods are making them a great amount of money. However, chances are these types of methods aren't going to be the methods that are making them the big bucks. So sometimes I see people going into something like dropshipping and they think that this is how they're going to make a buttload of money. Well, this is something that can be true. It can take a lot of work to get to that level. And you know me, on my channel, I like to find lazier ways that we can be making money, and I'm talking about we can literally be sleeping and making money. So, now if I'm being honest, YouTube is something that has always interested me. And some of you may know I have a brother named Matt, and he has his main YouTube channel called Make Money Matt. But before he started with that channel, he made fun little videos when we were kids. So doing things like creating content for YouTube and making fun little family movies was something that always interested my brother and I. But once my brother found out that this is something he truly enjoyed doing, he took it to the next level, meaning he started practicing his script writing, his editing abilities, and he would start making just random top 10 videos. And I remember being younger thinking this was so cool. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to make my own top 10 videos, and some of them are still on YouTube today and they're quite funny. But I would just sit in my room editing these videos. I'd be like, top 10 random facts, and I'd find these weird facts on Google. But with my brother being a tad bit smarter and a little bit older than me, he started posting these videos on YouTube, and these videos started getting traction and views. And once these views kept going up, he got to the point where he was able to join YouTube's partner program. And this is essentially where you get monetized and YouTube will start sending you paychecks. Now, this is where a lot of people will stop. They'll just keep making their content and add nothing else onto that. But my brother took it to the next level, and he thought about, hey, my channel is doing well, so he thought, why not create a course to teach other people how to reach this level of success with a YouTube channel? And that is exactly what he did with his course, Tube Mastery and Monetization. And through this process, he has made over $5 million, which is crazy because he's revealed to me that he doesn't even have to do that much work. He doesn't have to do this grueling work that he dreads. He enjoys the work that he does. And he said he only has to work a couple hours a week. And he said when he's sleeping, he makes money. So that's kind of what inspired me to make this video, because I was like, Matt, how do we do this? How do we do this? So I just wanted to share that little story with you, because within this video, I'm gonna go through the exact ways my brother was able to achieve this. So let's just jump right into it. The first step in this plan is going to be building an audience. So you need to pick what type of platform are you going to go with. Are you going to create a TikTok account? Are you going to create an Instagram? Or you could create a YouTube channel. There are so many different platforms out there that you can choose from. However, one of my favorites that I would recommend you start with as well is YouTube. But before you create your Instagram account or your TikTok account or your YouTube channel, you're going to want to think of some topics that interest you. It could truly be anything that piques your interest, so it could be makeup related, or it could have to do with technology or making money online or finance. But there are some niches that are going to be more high leverage than others, meaning there are a lot of people that will watch this niche because they have questions within this niche. For example, a health niche. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the time when I'm getting random symptoms of something, I look it up on Google or I look up a video on YouTube, and I use these resources to learn. So with that being said, it would be a good idea to pick a niche like so. So some other high leverage niches would include wealth, finance, technology, travel, relationships, psychology. And these are all great niches because they have such a big audience that will watch this content. And then you're also going to want to pick something that you're able to learn about, or something that you might already have previous knowledge in. For example, if you're majoring in psychology, it would be a pretty good idea to create a YouTube channel about psychology. However, I would like to throw in, you don't need any professional background to create a YouTube channel in any of these niches, especially when we have Google at our hands. It can help us answer any questions we have. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to stick with creating a YouTube channel. So once you've picked your topic, it is time to start the channel. And some of you might be thinking, wait, Does that mean I have to show my face in the videos? And before you click off and think this method isn't for you because it's a YouTube channel and you have to show your face, that's not the case. That's not the case. You don't have to show your face to start a YouTube channel. And honestly, nowadays, you don't even have to use your real voice because there are text-to-speech AIs that you can utilize. But once you've picked your topic for your channel and you've just overall created the channel, you need to think about what type of content are you going to make within that specific niche. And I would suggest creating your workload in batches because coming up with a bunch of different video ideas can be overwhelming. So it's nice to narrow it down to maybe, let's say, 10 videos at first. And then once you've aimed to come up with 10 different video ideas, you can start writing these scripts for these videos. And then once you have your script, you can simply just record your voiceover. Depending on how comfortable you are, you could do this step on your own and you could record this voiceover with your own voice. You could even use just your phone microphone, that works perfectly fine. Or you could get like a cheap microphone on Amazon like I have. Or like I was saying earlier, you could even use an AI text-to-speech generator. Or if you have some money that you want to put into this online business, you could hire somebody off of Fiverr or Upwork to do this voiceover for you. Now once you have these voiceovers recorded, it is time to create the actual video. And you can do this by finding different stock photos and videos online and then editing them all together to correlate with what you're talking about. Now this is again something that you could do yourself or you could hire somebody else to do so. And there's even a tool out there called invideo.ai. And with this tool you can not only just create a voiceover, but it can also edit a small little video for you. But that is something that costs money, so it isn't something that you have to use. It is just a tool that I'm throwing out there. But let's say you have your 10 video ideas, you have the scripts written, you found the stock footage, you've compiled that all together, it's all edited and ready to go. Now you need a thumbnail. And for your thumbnails, you can use a tool such as Canva, or again, you could pay somebody to create these thumbnails for you. And I wouldn't say that paying somebody to create thumbnails for you would be a bad investment because it would definitely be something that is helpful as thumbnails will get viewers to click on your videos. So we have our first batch of videos. Now it's time to just upload them like crazy, right? Well, that is not going to be the case here. We need to make sure that we are using various optimization methods before we upload our videos because we want our content to reach the right audience. And then I can link a super helpful video that my brother made that just goes more in depth about all of these different optimization methods that you can use. But after the first few months of posting consistently, whether that be posting once a week or twice a week or 3 times a week or even every day, your channel could potentially start getting some traction, and this could happen within the first few months. And that is where we need to shift gears into phase 2. It's like we're on a secret mission. We're moving on to phase 2, you guys, okay? We're doing it. And phase 2 is going to be designing our digital product. Now remember, like I was saying earlier, my brother started out with a YouTube channel and then later on he created an online course. Well, an online course is a perfect example of a digital product that you can sell online because it's not this physical product that you have to get a hammer out for and start pounding nails and creating a couch or something. A digital product is a really good product to create and to sell because once you make this product, you can sell it for years to come. Now, if you're not at the point where you're ready to create your own digital product, you could hop into something like affiliate marketing and you can find other people's digital products to promote on places like Digistore24 or ClickBank. Hint, hint, my brother even has an affiliate link for his course to mastery and monetization if you want to promote his, shameless plug. But if you're going the affiliate marketing route, you want to make sure to pick a digital product that goes along with the niche of your channel, because this way you're promoting the right products to the right audience. But affiliate marketing is also something that you could throw into your channel right off the bat when you're posting videos. But if you want to take it to the next level, like my brother did, I would suggest creating your own digital product because this is where you can start making a lot of money. And a course is just essentially a collection of videos. It's almost like creating a YouTube playlist. However, you're just going more in depth and giving more value than you would in just a YouTube video because people are paying for this content. And this collection of videos just teaches people about a certain subject, whether it be how to cook the best pasta dish in the whole wide world, or in my brother's case, how to make money with YouTube. Now, with making a course, you don't have to necessarily show your face. However, it can help because it will build a sense of trust because you're standing behind your words and you're showing your face. So you could sit down in front of a camera like I'm doing, or maybe you're teaching somebody how to create a technology-related video. Then you could use the OBS Studio software and screen record your computer and teach people how to fix a bug on their computer. And to be honest, you don't even need to have a super fancy camera in order to create a course or also to create a YouTube channel. Nowadays, a lot of the time, our phones are truly capable of doing all of this. And honestly, computers might be gone. Just kidding. A lot of people use computers. So you could create a whole course on your phone. You could be screen recording different things, or you could be sitting down and recording yourself with your phone camera. I was surprised to see that a lot of the YouTubers that I watch, when they're going around vlogging and doing things like that, they're just using their phone cameras. So with that being said, even big creators that can afford a better quality camera, they choose to just use their phone camera because it works perfectly fine. So before you create this course, I would suggest just sitting down and researching about this topic, and maybe start writing down what you already know within this subject, what you need to learn, and just start stacking up all of that knowledge in your brain. And then you can set up different chapters and lessons within your course just to make sure that your course is very easily understood by your viewers. But you can use a website such as Kajabi to host your course. So now you have your YouTube channel or your platform of choice with an audience, and you have your course or any other digital product. Now you need to take both of these and put them together. They need to help each other. They need to hold hands. So we can do this by putting the link to our course in all of the descriptions of our videos. And you can even go back to previous videos that you've already posted in the past and put the description for your course in those videos as well. I mean, who knows? Maybe you have a video that really took off a few months ago and you want to make sure that your course is in that video if people are still watching that. And then next, you're going to want to start talking about your course within your videos. Because you put so much hard work into this course, you want to share it with the world, you want to promote it. But you don't want to come off like you're shoving this course in people's face. You don't want people to click on your video and you just talk for an hour about how you need to buy their course and how you need to take people's money, because that comes off scammy, that doesn't come off genuine. We don't want that. We don't want it, okay? Something to note also is that you don't have to promote your course in every single one of your videos. Just here and there, you could give a little 10-second or 20-second description of your course and talk about why your viewers will get value from your course, and that's all you need to do. So all you need to do here is just keep uploading to YouTube consistently, putting your course in the description of all of the videos, mentioning the course here and there. And this is something that can truly work. I know when my brother first started out, he was a little skeptical. He was like, who's gonna wanna buy my course? But trust me, so many people will want to hear what you have to offer. Another thing I want to mention as well is, on top of a course, a lot of people like to get a little bonus something. And what I mean here is you could create a group so people have an outlet to ask questions. Or you could create different checklists and templates for your course users to utilize. If you throw in things like this, chances are your viewers are just going to be more entertained and they're going to gain more value from what you've created. And what I mean by creating a group is you could create just a Facebook group. So there's an outlet of your viewers and they can all converse with one another. And then you can also personally answer your viewers' questions as well. And now I want to just give a little bit of motivation for you guys, because I hope somebody out there watches this and they get inspired to start a course. And sometimes it can be very overwhelming when you take on a new project and you're like, I know nothing about making a course. How am I going to do this? Or I know nothing about creating a YouTube channel. How would I be capable of this? Trust me, just take your tasks day by day. Think about what you could do to create your YouTube channel today. Maybe you start with just creating a title for your channel, or you come up with 10 different video ideas for your channel, or you can just come up with the niche of your channel. It all starts with one step. Now, if you're interested in creating a YouTube channel and you want more of an in-depth explanation on how to do so, make sure to click on this video right here. Trust me, you guys will get a ton of value from it. And it's basically like a free course, so make sure to click on it right here. Bye.